this afternoon, I should say. First of all, please silence all your cell phones and any other electronic devices. We don't want to disturb any of the performances. Secondly, we have 2 dedicated videographers and 2 dedicated photographers. Therefore, if you wish to take any photos or you wish to do any videos, please stay at the back and do not come up to the front. We will have those all ready for you guys to be available for you to see.
Back means near the console.
Yes, so back behind the chairs, back by the booth. Okay, so please do not come up to the front to try to take pictures. We will be getting pictures as well. At this time, I would now like to invite Acharya Ricci to do our invocation and welcome.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिः समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। ॐ समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं Satgurum Brahmavidvaram. Hari Om. The past 4 weeks, the children have had a fun time learning, and our teachers have had a fun time teaching them. To all the parents here today, this is an opportunity to see firsthand what they have learned. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the students' presentations. Hari Om.
I think our children know how to appreciate. Good. Now our children will invoke the grace and blessings of Sri Gurudev through an invocation song, a bhajan composed by Guruji. Gurudeva Tava Mahaniya Kripa.
Mahaniya Kripa, Gurudeva Tava Mahaniya Kripa, mere jeevan ka avalamban hai, mere jeevan ka avalamban hai, bas ek yahi mera bal hai, आनन्दमयी भवतीय कृपा गुरुदेव तव महनीय कृपा गुरुदेव तव महनीय कृपा महनीय कृपा महनीय कृपा महनीय कृपा.
Now, Lord Krishna's grace we have invoked. Lord Krishna is dark. Therefore, we have to be in the dark. Our children, our future, so they will invoke the glories of Lord Krishna through Krishnashtakam. Ready? Shri Krishnashtakam.
जयकमण्डलं समस्तपापखण्डनं स्वभक्तचित्तरञ्जनं सदैव नन्दनन्दनं सुभिक्षगुच्छमस्तकं सुनादवेणुमस्तकम् अनङ्गरङ्गसागरं नमामि कृष्णनागरं मनोजगर्वगोचरं विशाललोललोचनं विधूतगोपलोचनं नमामि पद्मलोचनं करारविन्दभूधरं स्थितावलोकसुन्दरं महेन्द्रमानधारणं नमामि कृष्णवारणं कदम्बसूलकुण्डलं सुचारुगण्डमण्डलं प्रजाङ्गनैकवल्लभं नमामि कृष्णदुर्लभं यशोदया समोदय सरोपया सनन्दय हितं सुखैकदायकं नमामि गोपनायकं सदैव पादपङ्कजं मदीयमानसे निजं ददानमुक्तमालकं नमामि नन्दबालकं समस्तदोषशोषणं समस्तलोकपोषणं समस्तगोपमानसं नमामि नन्दलालसं भुवोभरावतारकं भवाब्धिकर्णधारकं यशोमतीतिशोरकं नमामि चित्रचोरकं त्रिकण्ठकान्तभङ्गिनं सदा सदालसङ्गिनं दिने दिने नवं नवं नमामि नन्दसम्भवं गुणाकरं सुखाकरं प्रभाकरं प्रभाकरं सुरद्विषं निकण्ठनं नमामि गोपनन्दनं नवीनगोपनागरं नवीनकेलिलम्पटं नमामि मेघसुन्दरं ललितप्रभालसत्पटं समस्तगोपनन्दनं त्रिजम्बुजैकमोदनं नमामि कुञ्जमध्यगं प्रसन्नभानुशोभनं निकामकामदायकं त्रिगन्तचारुसायकं रसालवेणुगायकं नमामि कुञ्जनायकं विदग्धगोपिकामनो मनोज्ञतल्पशायिनं नमामि कुञ्जकानने प्रवृद्धवह्निपायिनं किशोरकान्तिरञ्जितं त्रिरञ्जनं सुशोभितं गजेन्द्रमोक्षकारिणं नमामि श्रीविहारिणं यथा तदा यथा तथा तथैव कृष्णसत्कथा मया सदैव गीयतां तथा कृपा विधीयतां प्रमाणिकाष्टकद्वयं जपत्यदीत्ययः पुमान् भवेत् सनन्दनन्दने भवे भवे सुभक्तिमान् भवेत् सनन्दनन्दने भवे भवे सुभक्तिमान् भवे भवे सुभक्तिमान् श्री वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय.
They are your children. It's unbelievable, but they are. So you should teach your parents. Very good. That's remarkable. Now parents have to maintain it now. So every day if they chant, they will not forget. All the recordings are on the website. Now here afterwards, every year we will also be doing the Gita Arati also, because this year they learned the Bhagavad Gita Arati, which is in the same tune as Jai Jagadisha Hare, same tune. It's a very beautiful Gita Arati. Ready? Bhagavad Gita Arati.
Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita, Maya Jaya Bhagavad Gita, Hariya Kamala Viharini, Hariya Kamala Viharini, Sundara Supunite. Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita, Karma Sumarma Prakashini, Kama Sakti Hara, Maya Kama Sakti Hara, Tattva Jnana Vikashini, Tattva Jnana Vikashini, Vidya Brahma Para. Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita, Nishchala Bhakti Vidayini, Nirmala Malahari, Maya Nirmala Malahari, Sharana Rahasya Pradayini, Sharana Rahasya Pradayini, Sabhavidhi Sukhakari. Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita, Raga Dvesha Vidarini, Karini Moda Sada, Maya Karini Moda Sada, Bhava Bhaya Harini Karini, Bhava Bhaya Harini Karini, Paramananda Prada. Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita, Asura Bhava Vinashini, Nashini Tamarajani, Maya Nashini Tamarajani, Daivi Sadguna Daini, Daivi Sadguna Daini, Hari Rasika Sajani. Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita, Samata Tyaga Sikhavani, Hari Mukha Ki Bani, Maya Hari Mukha Ki Bani, Sakala Shastra Ki Swamini, Sakala Shastra Ki Swamini, Shrutiyon Ki Rani. Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita, Daya Sudha Varasavani, Matu Kripa Ki Jai, Maya Matu Kripa Ki Jai, Hari Pada Prema Dana Kar, Hari Pada Prema Dana Kar, Apano Kar Lijai. Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita, Jaya Bhagavad Gita, Maya Jaya Bhagavad Gita, Hariya Kamala Viharini, Hariya Kamala Viharini, Sundara Supunite. Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita, Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita, Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita. Bole Shri Gita Maya Ki Jai.
Great. Now, every year we have a theme song composed by our Bali Vihar teacher. So this year, theme song also on Yajna Spirit, the selfless dedicated service. In their favorite tune it has been composed. So you will see with the karaoke they're going to sing. Ready? Let us have the theme song, Yajna Spirit. Let us have the theme song, Yajna Spirit.
I seem crazy that it's good to pray. And Yajna Spirit is the best way to find the path and never stray. Sacrifice and serve with love every single day. Because I belong if you feel the joy of Yajna Spirit.
4, please stand up. Ready? Hari Om Gurudev Hari Om. Hari Om Gurudev Hari Om.
Hari Om Gurudev Hari Om. Hari Om Gurudev Hari Om. Hari Om Gurudev Hari Om. Hari Om Gurudev Hari Om. Showering happiness, towering kindness, Chinmayananda Gurudev. Showering happiness, towering kindness, Chinmayananda Gurudev. Always smiling, forever daring, Chinmayananda Gurudev. Always smiling, forever daring, Chinmayananda Gurudev. Hari Om Gurudev Hari Om. 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 Full of knowledge, bright and blissful, Chinmayananda Gurudev. Full of knowledge, bright and blissful, Chinmayananda Gurudev. World's best teacher, selfless worker, Chinmayananda Gurudev. World's best teacher, selfless worker, Chinmayananda Gurudev. Hari Om Gurudev Hari Om. 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 Hari Om Gurudev.
And first of all, I would like to say that we're eternally grateful to Gurudev for this glorious atmosphere of learning we've had for the past 4 weeks and today. It is hard to believe that we're at the end of summer camp at Chinmay Somnath, and you just saw the beauty and depth of what the students have learned over the past few weeks. You've also heard and known that our theme this year is Yajna Spirit, selfless, dedicated service. It takes the Yajna spirit of countless people in and out of Chinmay Mission to make camp a success. First of all, I'm going to start off with thanking all the parents here for sending your kids to camp and for contributing your time on Fridays. Without you, we would not have been able to execute all the Seva projects you saw and have the necessary adult-to-children ratio needed for the field trips, not to mention the big smiles your kids had on the days that you were at camp. I would also like to thank all our Lunch Bhiksha sponsors. Thanks to your efforts, Swamiji, the teachers, and the staff had delicious food to fuel us through our days. Though everyone complains that kids today live in a world of deserve versus serve, our youth volunteers epitomize Gurudev's words that they are not useless, they are used less. They definitely give more than what they take. And our youth volunteers start off this process at summer camp. Youth volunteers, you rock. I'm going to read out the names. Akshata Shastri, Aishu Humble, Alay Shah, Anjali Kikisetti, Harish Sundaraman, Himavarsha Yaraguntla, Madhu Ramaswamy, Manas Mantha, Nidhi Challa, Samapriya Dandibhotla, Shreya Moharir, and Srijay Kasturi. We had 45 youth volunteers today, 17 to 18 per week. So there's a lot of names. So as I call your names out, who's here? Oh, Nidhi is here. Oh, I'm sorry. Your name was, so come on up. You get to inaugurate this and start it off. Aditya Tikhe. हाँ स्वामी जी की Aditi Ramakrishnan, Ashwath Rashi, Akhila Samavedam, Dakshesh Nimishe, Gautam Lalwani, Gautam, Kavya Sriram, Madhav Murthy, Madhumita Arya Samajula, Manu Veeraraghavan, Maya Ramani, Meghna Kapa, Navya Yakala, Nishita Ardhapurkar, Nitin Chetla, Omkar Kulkarni, Riya Deshmukh, Sahana Ramachandra, Seshadri Kakani, Shreya Dalal, Shreya Musku, Shreyas Angara, Soham Joshi, Shruta Srinivasan, Supraj Yakala, Swati Potti, Tarun Golla, and Vedant Gandhi. These are our wonderful youth volunteers who have made this camp possible with all their dedicated hard work.
You also see the bags made by our summer camp students. Show the bag. See, that's so beautiful. And each bag costs only $108, I think. Because your children made it. It's not what the content is. Who made it is important. And these are our future pillars. and they will be much more charitable than our present parents. I'm very sure about it because they know to give more than what they take. So I thank all the young people like me. So they will contribute much more for the growth of Chinmaya Mission. I thank all of you.
Planning and organizing the camp begins as early December of the prior year, and the wrap-up continues many weeks past the last day of camp. I would now like to recognize the efforts of a few key sevaks and sevikas at camp. Given this long duration and the number of activities involved, I may miss a few names, so please accept my sincere apologies in advance. Mahesh Patil for flyer and banner design. If you're here, please come on stage and remain on stage. And if you could hold the applause till the end, we have a lot of names to go through. Ramaniya Kaleshwaran for room assignment and calendar management. Sriram Lakshminarayanan for facilities. Raj Pajur for facilities also. Darshana Samalwar, I know Darshana is here, for our snacks and all the supplies that made camp so much easier for all of us. Parvati Rachakunda for also buying all the snacks that your kids had on Fridays, and her car sometimes looked like, I don't know what the good word to describe that. It was like this moving mobile van where we just kept unloading stuff and more kept coming out of it. That made it easy for you on Friday, so you didn't have to pack snack. Parvati, are you here? Prabha Dage, who is our sevika on site, and she was here whenever we needed her, doing whatever we needed, including hallway monitoring, so all the kids behaved. Sunita Nanduru, for lunch bhiksha coordination. Anand Samalwar for the IT team, for leading the IT team and the registration system and website. Mukta Tyagarajan, who you just heard about from about the Balavihar program, she helped plan all the Friday art seva activities, including the concept design for the posters that you have seen displayed outside. Shailaja Gunda for Friday Havan. Vibha Kulkarni and family for hosting Swamiji, for being Swamiji's Sarathis, and most importantly, ordering all those boxes and boxes of pizza that we enjoyed every Friday. Sri Gopalakrishna, I don't believe he's here. He was our cover for Swamiji. Swamiji took 2 days off of camp, actually not even 2, like a day off of camp to spend with Swami Swarupananda, and Sri substituted for Swamiji here. Seema Nayak, our art teacher. This year, I believe, from all the years I've done summer camp, this was by far one of the best art programs we've ever had. And she has been planning since January for the camp that was in July. Bhuvana Moli, who was our other art teacher, and she has also been a wonderful addition to our art program and has been working with Seema, I believe, since early spring. Sudiksha Nimishe, our theme teacher for Govinda Group, bhajan teacher, and it was Sudiksha's idea and concept that started all those wonderful gift bags that the kids created as part of their seva. Jay Shriji, who's not here, she's already left for California, and she was the theme teacher for Narayana and Madhava groups. She also taught bhajans in the Surya Arghya, and I would also like to thank her host family and all her sarathis who gave her a ride to camp every day. Lakshmi Kumar, who taught our youngest kids, Keshava group. and our wonderful dance teacher. And Lakshmi spends hours picking out the right music for each group and editing the clips for maximum impact. Khalid McLeod, our athletics teacher. And this year, Khalid had the pleasure of working with our young 6-year-olds also. Sherry Kistler, who's also our sports teacher. And she's a wonderful asset to the Chinmay Somnath Athletics program. Jean McTeague, who's not here today, who's our yoga teacher and has wonderfully brought yoga back to camp for us. Sumant Ravipati, our special activities mentor. Like he said, he used to teach it. Now he mentors and grooms a new generation of teachers. Murali Karaveru, our registration coordinator, his patience is amazing with all the questions we have and all the details that need to be handled for registration to go successfully. Soumya Sriram, who has helped with various tasks around camp, including all the binders, 150 of them with the help of our youth volunteers that were assembled and copied and purchased and whatever else needed to be done. Vijay Iyer, who's off to college, who was one of our youth volunteer coordinator. Maunika Kari. Maunika was responsible for the wonderful video you saw, and the blog posts, the newsletters, documenting your children's activities. She's our media/publicity/UV coordinator. And then Shruti Ramesh, who was our lead youth volunteer coordinator. There are so many hats that Shruti wears. I always marvel at how well she organizes everything. And she has such a sweet serving spirit, and doesn't matter what we throw at her, she kind of listens, and then she says, okay, we can make that happen. Vijay, Maunika, Shruti, and Lucky are actually graduates of our Bala Vihar program, and summer camp also. I think Shruti attended summer camp a long time ago. So it's wonderful to see them here. Deepika Alana, who was our Friday coordinator, and she organized things so beautifully. We're saving all the templates now because it has never been done as well as she has done it. And she negotiated all our bus contracts, all the bowling contracts, whatever needed to be done for that. She did it, including the Seva. Chandana Angara, who was our lead coordinator for summer camp. She does so much work, and so much of it is behind the scenes. And she gets to listen to what everybody wants and everybody needs and try and execute it all. And for me, not only has she been a great teammate, but has become a friend over all the years that we have worked. So I really appreciate what she does for camp. The teamwork, the team spirit, the dedication that everybody brought to camp every day, that everybody had even before we started camp, it is amazing. This has been an absolutely wondrous, joyous experience for me. I would like also to take a moment to recognize the spouses and the children of all the teachers and the coordinators. If you could please stand where you are. For everything that anybody does over here. The children, yes. For everybody that you see on stage over here, there are so many more who are working behind the scenes for us, and especially for the children, because they end up sacrificing a lot of family time for their parents to do what they do so all of us have a wonderful summer camp. I would like to also thank Anantji, our camp director. Anantji, if you could come onto stage. No matter what time of the day, whenever we called, Anantji was available with whatever question we had. And however we needed help, and in guiding us so we made the right decisions. Thank you, Anantji. And then Swamiji, our resident Acharya and our spiritual guru. I think Mukta said it. I don't think there's anything I can add to what Mukta said. There are no words that I can say that encapsulate how I feel about Swamiji, and for always being available and having the perfect answer to all our innumerable questions and inquiries and doubts that we have. Thank you, Swamiji. Camp is possible because Swamiji is here for 4 weeks. Even though Swamiji had health issues that Swamiji was dealing with, we could never tell looking at Swamiji's demeanor and smile that anything was going on. Swamiji was completely and totally dedicated to camp here. The most important part I want to thank is all of you camp students. This has been a fantastic camp, a fantastic 4 weeks, and I have enjoyed every minute that I have spent with all of you. Thank you for coming to camp. I feel...
Okay, let me take a moment now. Okay, this lady has been talking, so let me just stop her for a while. She recognized, appreciated, and thanks the Seva Bhava of everyone, but forgot herself. Yes, Sudhita Kasturi, a true example for our theme this year. The EGNA Selfless Dedicated Service. Let me please take a few moments as to why I said she's a true example of this year's theme. In spite of she being a homeschool teacher, as you all know about her, and a parent of a high schooler, Sri J. Kasturi, he's not here today, and he's also one of the youth volunteers. She's doing such a tough job. She volunteered herself to mentor and coordinate marriage retreat, which happened, I think, during the Memorial Day weekend, Sudhita, isn't it? Yeah, and also while the summer camp planning is going on, and also she mentored the JCHIC camp, which is coming up, which is from August 17th to 21st. I think most of our youth volunteers have registered for that. And she's also volunteering, planning activities in the FEAR workshop with Acharya Vivekji, which is also happening during the evening of when the JCHIC camp is happening. I think we all have flyers outside. Please take a moment to look all the flyers outside. What are the upcoming programs we have? So please do not forget to just give a moment to look over there. And she also taught in summer camp. She is one of the theme teachers. And she helped me in coordination and helped Shruti in the YB coordination, youth volunteer coordination, helped Deepika in Friday coordination. We were all not alone. She was behind all these things. And there are very numerous areas wherein she rendered her support. She has been really a pillar to the summer camp for the last 10 years. And her dedication to the summer camp, I cannot express in words. Really, I really cannot express in words. I sincerely request you all to give a big round of applause to this wonderful woman who dedicated each and every minute of hers to make this camp a very huge success. Thank you, Sudhita Kasturi. Thank you very much. Now you go.
So All the applause we asked you to hold, now is the time to let it go. I am so grateful that I've had the honor to serve with all of you. I'm so grateful that I've had the honor to serve with all of you. And all of you, every one of you here, exemplifies the Chinmaya Mission motto of giving maximum happiness to the maximum people for the maximum amount of time. Thank you very much. I actually have one more thank you. Kartika Haridas. You can tell she's in the background doing all the work there, getting all of this organized, helping us getting wholly organized. Kartika, please come and take Swamiji's blessings. Kartika was our dance teacher in the past and also our youth volunteer coordinator in the past.
Hello, everybody. How's everyone doing this evening?
I'm great. How are you?
I was asking the audience, not you.
All right.
Let's just let the people know Keshiva's doing their dance now, okay?
Okay, then. So, to kick off this evening, we have Keshiva with their dance.
They may be our littlest campers, but they're the biggest entertainers. They bring tons of energy to camp every day, and on occasion, they've been known to get into some mischief, much like the mischievous little Krishna they will be dancing about today. So is everybody excited?
I know I am. We hope you like it too.
I think Keshiva's dance is by far the best.
I think so too. So let's show them what we got.
So without further ado, Keshiva.
Hit it, Omkar.
अरे गोकुल की गलियों ने देखी, अरे कान्हा तेरी लीला न्यारी। अरे नन्हा कान्हा छोटा कान्हा दिखता है भोला बड़ा, पर चुटकियों में आसमां से चांद है लेके उड़ा। अरे अपना कान्हा प्यारा कान्हा धीरे से होवे बड़ा, उसकी इन शरारतों में राज है गहरा छुपा। अरे हो, अरे हो, अरे हमने देखी सबने देखी छिंग नाक छिंग छिंग। अरे कान्हा तेरी लीला न्यारी छिंग नाक छिंग छिंग। अरे आंखें बचा के सबसे छुपा के मक्खन चुराने दो। अरे गैया चरा के सबको नचा के बंसी बजाने दो। धीम तानना धीम तानना धीम तानना ना, धीम तानना धीम तानना धीम तानना ना। सावला सलोना है वो हिरनियों का छोना है वो, मोर पंख सर में है उसके जड़ा। गोपियों की मटकी फोड़े पापियों का दम्भ तोड़े, इस नगर हर घर को है सुख से भरा। बजी बाजे देखो, बजी बाजे रे, राधा नाचे देखो, राधा नाचे रे। अरे गोकुल की गलियों ने देखी छिंग नाक छिंग छिंग। अरे कान्हा तेरी लीला न्यारी छिंग नाक छिंग छिंग। अरे आंखें बचा के सबसे छुपा के मक्खन चुराने दो। अरे गैया चरा के सबको नचा के बंसी बजाने दो। अरे गोकुल की गलियों ने देखी छिंग नाक छिंग छिंग। अरे कान्हा तेरी लीला न्यारी छिंग
have a very special group of kids, Group 2, aka Narayana.
They were the first group to learn their dance. They were just that enthusiastic to learn it.
Faster than the volunteer dance, I'll say.
Their dance is about the friendship of Krishna and Radha, so they've dressed up like Radhas and Krishnas.
Well, I don't know about you, but I'm excited to see it. Give it up for our little Krishnas and Radhas, Group 2.
मोर पंख माथे पे जड़ा और होठों पर मुस्कान रे, रास रचाए बंसी बजाए वो राधा का श्याम रे। मोर पंख माथे पे जड़ा और होठों पर मुस्कान रे, रास रचाए बंसी बजाए वो राधा का श्याम रे। खेल खेल में जीतेगा वो पाप का हर संग्राम रे, हर दिल हर मुख गाएगा उसका ही अब नाम रे। गिरधारी मोहन गोपाला कान्हा और घनश्याम रे, नारायण हरि बोल मुकुंदा संगता ओ बलराम रे। खेल खेल में चूर करेगा झूठा हर अभिमान रे, हर दिल हर मुख गाएगा उसका ही अब नाम रे। जड़ा और होठों पर मुस्कान रे, रास रचाए बंसी बजाए वो राधा का श्याम रे। खेल खेल में जीतेगा वो पाप का हर संग्राम रे, हर दिल हर मुख गाएगा उसका ही अब नाम रे।
Wow, that was an amazing performance by Narayana.
Up next is Madhava. This coming fall, they will be entering grade 3.
The past couple weeks, we have had a lot of fun working with them.
They have prepared a fun and upbeat song number in praise of Lord Ganesha.
We hope you will enjoy this performance.
Because we sure will.
Give it up for Madhava.
सबका प्यारा है, यही दोस्त हमारा है।
गन्नू सबका प्यारा है, यही दोस्त हमारा है। जो भी शुभ कार्य होता हमने इसे पुकारा है।
रिद्धि सिद्धि संग में आए जिसने भी ये बोला,
ताली बोलो गणपति बप्पा मोरया, ताली बोलो गणपति बप्पा मोरया, ताली बोलो गणपति बप्पा मोरया, ताली
देवों में सबसे न्यारा दुनिया में मशहूर है। कोई दर्द मुसीबत आए हमसे ना ये दूर है। सब देवों में सबसे न्यारा दुनिया में मशहूर है। कोई दर्द मुसीबत आए हमसे ना ये दूर है।
इस बरस जो आया अगले बरस भी आ, हमें तरस दिखाया, हमें तरस दिखा।
जयकारा जयकारा बोलो मन खुशियों से डोलिया।
देताली बोलो गणपति बप्पा मोरया। 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 देताली बोलो गणपति बप्पा मोरया।
Next up, we are happy to introduce the amazing group Govinda. They're one of the most energetic and hilarious groups at this camp.
These kids have reached a beautiful level of maturity, and we see it in the loyal friendships they have made. Thank you, Govinda, who will now be performing Tu Hi Tu from the hit movie OMG, Oh My God.
शाम सवेरे हो फिर उजाले अंधेरे, तू हर पल साथ है मेरे। हरे रामा हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे। हरे रामा हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे। तेरा है आँखों में, नूर तेरा है ये मन में। तू चले है मेरी सांसों में, तू ही तू धड़कन में। तू ही तू दिल में है मेरे, रात दिन शाम सवेरे हो फिर उजाले अंधेरे, तू हर पल साथ है मेरे। हरे रामा हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे। 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 हरे रामा हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे।
Hari Om everyone, my name is Gautam and I will be one of your MCs this afternoon.
Hari Om, my name is Vedant and I will also be one of your MCs today.
Today is a very special day for two reasons. The first would be that today is annual day, obviously, and the second would be that Vedant has finally crawled out of his shell and mustered the courage to stand before you all. Ladies and gentlemen.
Hey man, that's not cool.
I'm joking, but in all seriousness, please welcome the phenomenal, mind-blowing, jaw-dropping Group 5 Vasudeva.
अद्भुत अनुपम अतुलित वर वधू सकल विश्व में गौरी शिवा है अद्भुत अनुपम अतुलित वर वधु सकल विश्व में गौरी शिवा है स्वयं ही रचना स्वयं रचयिता सकल विश्व के गौरी शिवा है यज्ञ स्वरूपाय जटाधराय हस्ताय सनातनाय दिव्याय देवाय दिगंबराय तस्मै यकाराय नमः शिवाय प्रेम की परिभाषा है दोनों प्रेम की अभिलाषा है दोनों पराकाष्ठा संबंधों की आदर्शों के ज्ञानी पिता है स्वयं ही रचना स्वयं रचयिता सकल विश्व के गौरी शिवा है यज्ञ स्वरूपाय जटाधराय मीनाक हस्ताय सनातनाय दिव्याय देवाय दिगंबराय तस्मै यकाराय नमः शिवाय नागेन्द्रहाराय त्रिलोचनाय भस्माराय महेश्वराय नित्याय शुद्धाय दिगंबराय तस्मै नकाराय नमः शिवाय
Hello, everyone. It's great to see all the beautiful faces out there. Oh, and Shreyas.
Oh, hey, Ashwath. How's the weather up there?
Oh, it's cloudy with a 100% chance of awesome dancing.
Okay, next we have our most enjoyable group, Madhusudana.
Group 6.
These kids are rising 6th to 8th graders.
They will be dancing to the Telugu song Baje Baje from the movie Gopala Gopala. They have worked hard, very hard, the past 4 weeks with Lucky Didi to create this dance for you, and I'm sure you will love their performance.
Please put your hands together for Group 6.
అలరే అలా ఆయనందలాలా అందరూ చూడండయ్యా చూపిస్తాడు ఏదో లీలా అలరే అలా ఆయనందలాలా ఆడలా ఈలేశాడు కోలాటాల గోలా గోలా
ఓ దూరంగా రంగా దొంగ దాకో కొయ్యాలా వచ్చి నువ్వు మాతో సిందయ్యాలా మందిరం కట్టిందయ్యా భూమి నీకి వేళ మంచి చెయ్యాలో చాలా చాలా ఎవడో ఏలా ఇది నీ నేల నువ్వు చేసే ప్రతి మంచి ఎదురయ్యగరేయదా ఆడోలు బజే బజే ఆడోలు బజే 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 ఆడోలు బజే బజే ఆడోలు బజే ఓ దూరంగా రంగా దొంగ దాకో కొయ్యాలా వచ్చి నువ్వు మాతో సిందెయ్యాలా భామకి లొంగేటోడు బాధేం తీరుస్తాడు ప్రేమకే పొంగాడంటే ప్రాణం బదులిస్తాడు పావుల్ని తోలేటోడు నిన్నే పాలిస్తాడు యుద్ధంలో రథం తోలి నీతిని గెలిపించాడు నల్లని రంగున్నోడు తెల్లని మనసున్నోడు అల్లరి పేరున్నోడు అందరికీ అయినోడు మీ పిచ్చి ఎన్నాళ్ళో అన్నేళ్ళు అన్నేళ్ళు నీలోనే ఒకడై ఉంటాడు ఆటోలు బజే బాజే ఆటోలు బజే ఆటోలు బజే బాజే ఆటోలు బజే
Hari Om. Is everyone having a good time so far? Okay, good. My job is to tell you about all the things CMWRC is doing that you can also go to and have even more fun at. So first up, we have On a Quest this Sunday. It was so popular the first time that we're showing it again. If you thought the summer camp promo was cool, you're gonna love this one because it's about the guy who made all this possible himself. Tickets can be found at the front desk. Next up is Decoding Dharma. It's our J-Chick retreat for high schoolers, both incoming and outgoing. It will be led by Acharya Vivekji, who's very relatable to children of the high school age. He grew up in Canada. One of his favorite places to eat is Taco Bell. And yeah, we have satsang at Taco Bell. And he makes everything very understandable for people who are ABCDs, American-born confused theses. And for the parents, if your kids are going to J-Chick during the day, you can go to Fear workshops at night, which are also led by Acharya Vivekji. Fear stands for Face Everything and Rise, which is actually one of our texts written by Swamini Vimalanandaji. So that'll be at night. Please come. And lastly, in September, we are having a Carnatic music concert by the Sangeeta Kalasagara duo with Dr. Trichy Shankaran. I had the honor of just listening to them rehearse for their program, and I wish I would be there in September. So once again, I hope all of you can make it. And all the info, flyers, tickets, everything will be at the front desk, along with all of your children's belongings.
तिनका जब साथ आए तो घर बनता है हो बूंदों के बल पे ही सागर बनता है इन सारी बातों में छुपे राज ढूंढेंगे मिलके इन साजों से एक सरगम गाएंगे अगर हम सीखे इनसे तो क्या हम बदल पाएंगे साथ ही हम सारे क्या अपनी मंजिल पाएंगे इनका जब साथ आए तो घर बनता है, बूंदों के बदले ही सागर सागर बनता है। दुनिया के कोनों से जब हम मिल जाएंगे, जब मुश्किल आ जाए मिलके लड़ पाएंगे। एक हम होंगे और हमसे तूफान भी डर जाएंगे। दुनिया को फिर ही हम जन्नत सी कह पाएंगे।
जय जय कृष्ण मुकुंद मुरारी, जय जय कृष्ण मुकुंद मुरारी, जय जय गोविंद बृंद विहारी। कृष्ण मुकुंद मुरारी, जय जय गोविंद बृंद विहारी। कृष्ण मुकुंद मुरारी। I had a dream. What dream it was, I'm going to narrate it to you. The US presidents, they came in my dream. They told me to tell you, Benjamin Franklin, Ulysses Grant, Andrew Jackson, and George Washington. All four of them, they wanted me to tell you especially your parents, and tell you also to tell your parents. It was Benjamin Franklin, Benjamin who invited the other three presidents to a resort. He said, "My treat, please come." So all the four presidents met, and they wanted to find out their afterlife experiences. Not while they were alive, afterlife. How their life is being, their experiences after life. So first, Benjamin Franklin said, "I'm having a wonderful time. I go to Las Vegas, I go to Seven Flags, King's Dominion, Disneyland, Disney World, you name it, been there, done that, seen that." Benjamin Franklin was boasting of. Then Ulysses said, "I also am having a good time. I also visited all those places what Benjamin visited. I also visited all those. Wonderful time I'm having." Then they looked at Andrew. Andrew said, "No, I did not go to all those, not all places, but I have also been to all the places, most of the places." All the presidents looked at George Washington. How is your experiences? George Washington looked down and said, "What? I only go to church, temple, mosque. I never been to Las Vegas, never been to Disneyland, Disney World. I don't know whether children will get it. I hope adults get it." Who is on Benjamin Franklin? On which dollar Benjamin Franklin is there? Hundreds. You know it. And who is on 50? Ulysses. And who is on 20? And 1? So there's a Benjamin was saying, I've been to Las Vegas, I've been to this, I've been to that, every place he has been there. And our poor George Washington only to temple, temple, temple. Church, church, church. Mosque, mosque. This is what the presidents told me to tell you. So Benjamin wants only Benjamin, Franz and the Ulysses, they want to come. I told them I will tell Chinmaya Mission members at least that, no, it is afterlife experiences. So please do not make that mistake. Don't take Benjamin anymore to Las Vegas or Disneyland or please make Benjamin see Chinmaya Mission. Isn't it? And those who revere these values, it is their responsibility to support. It is not a royal patronage. In the good old days, the kings used to patronize all these activities that glorify our culture. But it is your responsibility today. So you are the king, so patronize as majestically as you can. Don't be stingy to save your culture, to nourish your culture. Look at this beautiful facility. It will not come by supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. It will not come like that. Every member of Chinmaya Mission has worked hard to build such a facility. Therefore, we have to pay it off soon so that we can expand the mission in Frederick and Maryland. Therefore, I would like to see today how because in Maryland after the summer camp, I demanded from them and they contributed 9,000 for after summer camp donation. I want to see from here, Chinmaya Somanath, how much you respect my services. So, if it is less than 9,000, I will understand what, there are only 60 students, here 114 students. So with 60 students, they could give me 9,000, the parents. Here, I'm going to watch and I'm going to see the names also. Because I'm very particular, because how are we going to pay the mortgage and all? We have started off the venture. So I cannot ask somebody else, I can ask only you. So therefore, make sure that I see Benjamin's, George Washington, you can give it to Las Vegas, because George Washington never been there, so please, so send him there. So Benjamin's only should come here. Okay, I thank you very much and enjoy your children's learning and make sure that they do it it is there in the website. Every day you can put it as an alarm, early morning wake up alarm, the Gita chanting, especially the Gita chanting. So make sure you do it every day, make it an alarm to wake up and chant. I thank you very much. Now we'll have the Arati. Om na karmana na prajaya dhane na tyage naike amritatva manashuhu parena nakam nihitam guhayam vibhrajade tadyatayo vishanti Vedanta Vijnana Sunischitartha Sannyasa Yogat Yataya Shuddha Sattva Te Brahma Loke Tu Para Antakale Paramritat Parimuchyanti Sarve Dahram Vipapam Parameshma Bhutam Yat Pundarikam Puramadhya Saggastham Tatrapi Dahram Gaganam Vishokas Tasmin Yadantas Tadupasitavyam Yo Vedadau Swara Prokto Vedante Cha Pratishtitaha Tasya Prakriti Linasya Yah Parassa Maheshwaraha Na Tatra Suryo Bhati Na Chandra Tarakam Nema Vidyuto Bhanti Kuto Yamagnihi तमेव भान्तमनुभाति सर्वं तस्य भासा सर्वमिदं विभाति ॐ हर हर नमः पार्वतीपतये हर हर महादेव श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की दिव्य रूप मूर्ति करुणा की आरती सद्गुरु की। चरणों में उनके शांति समाये शरणागत की भ्रांति मिटाए पाप ताप संताप हरण की आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की आरती सद्गुरु की। वेद उपनिषद गीता को गाया धर्म सनातन फिर से जगाया शुद्ध नीति प्रीति शंकर की आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की आरती सद्गुरु की। सिद्धबाड़ी की तपोभूमि में नित्य विराजे गुरु हमारे भक्त हृदय आनंद स्रोत की आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की आरती सद्गुरु।